and that I need you, and that I want you back in my life.
I've been trying to hold it down, trying to keep my man around, but I was thinking about us, you were thinking about you. You never even heard the sound, the sound of me crying. My whole world was dying. You were steady lying, telling me that bullshit, and I ain't even lying.
You are my life, love, and I shouldn't put no one above. You was down for a love, my boo. Damn, I miss how it was, girl, you don't even call me no more. And I still smell your scent on your clothes, and I acted like I didn't have a care in the world when you walked out the door. Man, I don't know, I miss the dinners you was cooking me and all that good loving. When I was out too busy thugging, now I sit and just blow sacks back to back. And remember how you had my back, I want my lady back. I wasn't satisfied.
All I thought about is you.
I didn't realize
Never thought that you would.
you the only one who was down for a nigga, girl.
I was only loving you.
I wasn't satisfied.
All I thought about is you.
I didn't realize
Never thought that you would.
you the only one who was down for a nigga. I kept your hair done and your nails done. You maxed out the credit cards, girl, we had fun. And I know my trifling ways. I'm fucking with my niggas, messed up our thing. And now we saying shit we can't take back. We left the place we used to be, now neither one of us can find our way back. Baby, I'm too far gone, out here caught up in the storm. You need to be right here in my arms, keeping me warm.
You hurry, you wouldn't come home at night. Without an anniversary in the bed, stay cold on your side. But you're always thugging with your boys and you wouldn't even call. Now I found somebody who would give me that boy. I was only loving you.
I wasn't satisfied.
All I thought about is you.
I didn't realize
Never thought that you would.
you the only one who was down for a nigga, girl.
I was only loving you.
I wasn't satisfied.
All I thought about is you.
I didn't realize
Never thought that you would.
you the only one who was down for a nigga, girl.
You had no consideration of my time, no appreciation of my life. You don't think you had your game tight. Now I'm telling you goodnight. You had no consideration of my time, no appreciation of my life.